What's up, fellas and fellas? We're back in Culebra. We're walking to our fishing charter for the day. Just doing a little 4-hour charter. Hit the flats. We get some own fish. It's a permit. See what we're doing. Wish us luck. It's supposed to be raining and windy, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, yeah.
Not this one, this one.
Oh, shit.
Oh, there it is. Okay, keep going. Fast.
Oh, he's chasing it,
Yeah, come on, faster. Yeah, it's this mackerel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Come on.
Was that barjack? Right?
It looked like, yeah. No, it looked like a mangrove.
Mangrove?
I think so.
Mangrove, yeah.
No? Okay. Or a snapper?
Wait, it's a dip, but careful, okay? Careful with the waves. Looks like a barjack. Yeah, but sometimes you see the mutton snapper. When you see the bait like that.
That's kind of what it kind of like a mutton snapper.
Not this dip. Right now it's 20 feet.
Okay.
But sometimes you see that, like, let's say 15, 12
okay.
feet, and then you see bait like that. You see the mutton coming up. You got a bite or not? I saw something.
No.
No?
I thought he was playing with it.
Okay. Up.
Oh. Oh, I just got a bite.
Yeah, I saw that. There you go. Nice. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at that. Ah, it's a nice yellowtail snapper.
Just flipping them?
Yeah, look at that one.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, man, I think I lost my jig.
Oh, no.
Like, damn, man, it's a nice one.
That's a good one. Hell yeah.
Yeah. You want to keep it later?
If it's a keeper, sure.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that fish.
Yeah, I'll keep him.
Nice.